Hi guys, I miss you all so much. I really wish I could be there with you this week, but I have received wonderful messages about how great you're all being, how helpful and respectful, and I can't thank you enough for that. So let's make this a great Friday. I just want to review with you today's agenda because it's going to be a catch-up day and a day to go back and revisit some things that maybe were a little bit more difficult this week. So it's my understanding that quite a few of the classes need a little additional time on the Jane Goodall Ed puzzle. So the first thing on your to-do list today is to go back and rewatch or finish watching the Jane Goodall Ed puzzle. And then you're going to complete the questions that were on your lesson note sheet. That would be these ones here, questions 1, 2, and 3 on your note sheet. Once you finish those, you're going to go into Schoology. And in Schoology, you're going to do a 5 attitudes lesson review. You get 2 attempts on this. So what that means is you're going to take it the first time, you're going to do your best, but if you miss some, you can review those and it will show you what you got wrong. Then you can take a second attempt to see if you can score better the second time. Your higher of the 2 scores is the one that will be kept. I'm not putting it into Power School, but this is a great way for you to make sure you understand the lesson content before moving on to the lesson assignment. So once you finish that, then you are going to jump into the lesson assignment, which is right below the Jane Goodall questions. And in complete sentences, you're going to list those 5 scientific attitudes you learned about yesterday and reviewed today. And then you're going to choose 2 of them, and you're going to explain why they're important. So if you think a scientist is someone who should be open-minded, that's one of the attitudes we learned. Why is that? How does being open-minded benefit science and scientists? When you're finished with the assignment, we're going to go back and we're going to review quantitative and qualitative observations. Quite a few of you struggled on that making observations quick check that you took on Monday. So I'd like you to go back into the 9-10 last Friday's folder, and if you scored less than a 70% on that assessment, you're going to retake it. And that is one that I did put into Power School, so it will benefit you to go back and take a second attempt on that. Pay attention if it's asking for qualitative, focusing on qualities, what's it like, versus quantitative. Is it something that can be shown in numbers? That seemed to be where a lot of you got mixed up. Then the last thing on our agenda for today is a fun booklet. This is going to be an independent one though. You're not going to be racing the clock against your classmates, but you're going to be working independently to answer some review questions and build a cafe. So have fun with that today. I hope that you are productive, continue to be those awesome 6W students that you've been all week, and have a wonderful weekend. I look forward to seeing you hopefully real soon back in class. All right, guys, see you later.